Now, hopefully we have that, happening before all this heat. Temperatures are going to be very hot next couple of days, Alicia. But good news, we have some relief on the way by Tuesday and Wednesday. Some more clouds and even some rain is expected for San Antonio and around the area Tuesday and Wednesday. Matter of fact, let's talk about what we're tracking on this Sunday night. We have weather impact alert for tomorrow. Yes, the heat, but now Tuesday and Wednesday, the forecast models are really aligning on what activity we're going to get. It looks like between Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, we could see a couple of showers and maybe even thunderstorms across the hill country. And then some of that activity will linger into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. So right now, scattered storms are expected Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Before we talk more about in detail on that, let's talk about the tropics. Obviously over Texas, over the Gulf, it's quiet, but you move farther south, it's a little bit more active. We have Tropical Storm Barbara, and then we have an area of interest right over here. This is a moderate chance at another tropical cyclone spinning up. I mean, they're just being cranked out across the Pacific right now, south of Mexico. Lots of tropical activity. Good news, despite so many different tropical systems, most of them should remain out at sea. No immediate threats for land from western Mexico or Cabo or towards the peninsula. It's mostly quiet for the tropics, despite there's so much storms out there. Okay, right now, downtown San Antonio, and here is the airport right here, San Antonio International. It's looking quiet. The temperature-wise, 87, feels like 93 outside. Southeast winds at 18 miles an hour. Here are today's highs. It was hot. 96 in the city, normals 92, 102 at Del Rio, 105 towards Cotula. It was scorching out there. Mid to upper 80s around the region and around the area across the metro. 94 right now in Del Rio. 93 at Eagle Pass, 79 at Victoria. So it's still pretty warm outside with a southeast wind. A little breezy at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Okay, radar. It's not busy, obviously, here in the city. It's quiet across our area. But North Texas just getting a ton of rainfall, bracing for impact because of a lot of different severe warnings in effect as of right now. These particular red ones, that's representing active tornado warnings. So these are very dangerous, strong to severe storms that's lining up pretty much I-20. And this is on approach towards Dallas and Fort Worth, where it looks like that's a pretty large squall line, maybe a bow echo on radar. That's indicating very strong damaging wind gusts. So very dangerous, severe weather for Dallas and Fort Worth across North Texas. Matter of fact, that's a level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather risk for tonight into early tomorrow morning. Now, we mentioned this because this particular weather system, it's going to stay mostly north, but very active across West Texas next couple of days. Why that's important, a lot of these storms will start to enter our area Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon. And it looks like starting on Tuesday, that'll kickstart daily chances for rain, showers, and even thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe into Friday. So we're entering a very active pattern because of this northwest flow. And what that's going to do is transport more moisture, more energy towards us, and that may touch off additional rain chances into Thursday and Friday. How much rain are we looking at? I would say on average 1 to 2, maybe localized areas up to 3 to 4, especially along and east of the I-35 corridor. Here's your 14-day. Tomorrow it's going to be hot and sunny, mid to upper 90s. There may be a couple of isolated showers in the evening and late night tomorrow, but most of tomorrow is just dry and just hot. 93 Tuesday, 91 Wednesday. But Tuesday and Wednesday, and even up to Thursday, a couple of storms will be possible. Street flooding, definitely a possibility with some isolated areas of heavy rain. Precip rates could be up to 3 to 4 inches of rain per hour. By Friday and Saturday, drying out, and temperatures still pretty hot in the mid to upper 90s. Viddy?